Hello and welcome back to my channel everyone. So I have started doing the tarot reads again, and as per the poll everyone requested for the tarot reads, so here we are with the monthly tarot reads, and also I'll be taking out the bi-weekly ones later, but these ones are specifically the June monthly reads. I'm only done with 3 signs so far, so this read is gonna be for our Librans, and I'm done with Gemini, Taurus, and Cancer. Yeah, so if you are interested to watch any of those, you may be able to see that on my channel. But this read is gonna be for our Librans. Also, I have started doing the personal reads again, and if you want a personal read from me, and if you want answers to any of the specific questions that you have, then you might want to contact me on my Instagram, or you can also go to my website and fill the contact form there. But if you contact through Instagram, that's much more easier for me because I do use Instagram like a lot. So I'm always available on Instagram. I'll be posting the link in the description, and you can join me and follow me from there. Also, I keep on posting about the crystals there, so yeah, you'll get some crystal information also. And also in the tarot reads, usually I tell you guys, which crystal is going to benefit you in this certain time. Like this is Mercury retrograde going on, and let's see how our air sign Libra is doing right now during the Mercury retrograde time. So let's start with the read. Let's see what's going on for our Librans. Recent past. Librans, what's wrong with you? I feel more in terms of your love and relationship, there's instability. Now, this wasn't for work, but the intuition I got. This was particularly for love. Recent past for our Librans. Okay. Exactly, in terms of love, Librans. But it's a pretty nice read that's coming in, Librans. Let's see your near future situation. Okay. So, in the recent past, there might be some kind of frustrations that you went through in the recent past. Could be in terms of work for some of you, because I do see some work frustrations here for sure. I do see that some of the Librans, they were doing like so much of work on themselves, and they were like thinking, what else I can do. Sometimes we are in that zone that we are not able to understand what else we can do to improve this particular thing in our relationship, or maybe to improve our business, to improve our career, or to improve our work life. So that's something that I see here, that with the Seven of Pentacles, you're like continuously staring at something, and our Librans, you were thinking, what else I can do? Tell me, universe, what can I do? But then I see you joining hands with someone. So there's some kind of a partnership that I see for most of you. It is in terms of your love, the partnership. But also this partnership brought a lot of financial abundance for you. I do see a lot of money contentment coming your way, signing of some kind of money agreement, not specifically for all of you, but just for some of you who actually signed some kind of an agreement with someone. Yeah, that's something that I see, and that was all divine's plan. That divine intervened in this situation, because you were asking the universe so much, universe, what else can I do in terms of my work or in terms of this relationship, that something needs to work out here. I need guidance. So that's the guidance that you got. And in the present situation, we have the Ace of Cups, the Nine of Pentacles, and the Justice, which is a pretty high vibrational energy, which is an energy of peace, contentment, security, and justice on your end. So if any of you have been dealing with any kind of a legal situation, maybe some of you could have been dealing with, as I said, money agreements were signed. So justice was on your end, and you will get whatever you've been destined to be. Whatever needs to come your way will come your way. Also, I do feel for some of you, you are able to find that inner balance in you. That's the energy that I'm getting from the Justice card here, that sometimes our air signs, they lack the balance, but in this particular read, in the present situation, I do see that there's a lot of balance that you were trying to build in yourself. Some of you might have been doing some kind of inner work with the Seven of Pentacles in the recent past that we had. So in this, I do see that you were able to ace it, and you have balance. You have you can say you have the self-control. You have the control over your emotions. You've actually gained that level of stability in you that you had been looking for. So in the present situation, that's what we have here. In the near future, we have the Eight of Wands, the Five of Swords, and the Four of Pentacles, which clearly means a good energy, peace, contentment, happiness, stability again, because some of you have been lacking stability. If you might be asking the universe for stability. So again, there's stability in terms of finances, in terms of your relationship. Yeah, I guess you can see the card now. Okay, so also in the near future, I do feel that maybe due to this Mercury retrograde, some past people might just try to enter your life, or some exes might have tried to enter your life, showing that they love you so much and all that, but everything worked out for the better. For maybe a fraction of second, you might have felt, those people have left my life, and I have, you have the sword in your hand, and you're like collecting all those swords, and those people have gone out of your life. But I do see you sticking there very hard, because you have come afar. There's a long journey that you've traveled. You have come really far from all those things. You have left everything aside. There's nothing left for you to just go back there, because it's just entering into those chaotic situations again, and there's absolutely no reason to just go to the thing that you have already left in your life. But during Mercury retrograde, these things happen. So that's why we need to ground our energy so much, because past has a habit of coming into our life again and again. So yeah, just be careful about that, and don't get trapped into all those arrows of love that the other people have been throwing on you. Oh, we care about you so much. Okay, where were you when this Mercury retrograde was not here? I couldn't see you anywhere. So, but you handled it very well, and that's why we have the stability there. We have the contentment, we have the peacefulness, we have the happiness. In the overall energy of the read, I do see there's some kind of battles, maybe inner battles in your own mind that you could be fighting right now. There could be some kind of arguments involved, but again, stability is there that you had been looking for, so everything's gonna work out for the best. So that was your read, Librans. Pretty nice read, doing a lot of self-work, inner work, and being an air sign and doing inner work is like to the next level. Let's see what the universe wants to guide our Librans for the month of June. Universe, please guide our Librans for June. Some of you might feel lost sometimes. there could be some kind of loss, as in terms of some money or something. Maybe you might feel some loneliness things here, but we have the High Priestess, which means that you are staying very strong here. And also there's abundance, there's raise in your money that's coming in. There's the Six of Pentacles, and you will be in a place where you could be donating also. So there's a lot of raise in your money that's coming. And also the loneliness phase is not for a very long time. That's because, you know, sometimes past enters our life, sometimes there's arguments, so that's like here and there, just a little bit. But then you are the High Priestess here, so you don't need to worry about anything, because you have everything in balance. Especially we have the Moon here, which means you are gaining the stability from the Moon itself. The Moon is known for its stability, so the more you do the Moon meditations, the more you do the Moon salutations, the more stability comes in you. And that's what we can see here. See this Queen sitting right there. And I don't necessarily see that with the High Priestess. Usually the High Priestess usually comes in as a very strong and a powerful energy here, and that's what you're coming in as. So that's the universe guiding you, that you have a lot of power inside of you that you need to actually focus on, and just forget about whatever has been gone. It's all gone out from your life. And there is raise in money. Some of you might be getting some kind of increments in your job. There's raise in your salary also, but it could be that you're also earning a lot of money. And that's all because you have prayed to the Moon so much. You have actually maintained that balance in you. Wow, that's an awesome read, Librans. It's perfect. Okay, so I think our Librans are doing everything just the perfect way. The only guidance that I want to give you guys is ground your energies daily. That is something that you need the most right now. Also, if you had red jasper, have red jasper or red garnet around you, just meditate with it during the day or during the night time. That would be the best thing that you can do right now. Otherwise, you're doing everything perfect. It's all going well, and it's gonna continue with this same energy for quite a long time that I see here. At least this month, this energy is not going anywhere. So perfect read, Librans. If you want a personal read with me, or if you have any questions regarding any of the crystals, or if you want to purchase the red garnet crystal, because right now during the Mercury retrograde phase I have some offers going on, especially on the red garnet one, because I do have this red garnet pyramid that I'm giving it to most of the people that you can see here. Yeah, so I'll be posting the link also in the description about this whole product, about this red garnet, and this will help you ground your energies, and this will help you even later on also. Like, it's not just for Mercury retrograde phase, we always need to do the grounding and stuff. So this is gonna help you out. If you need more information about it, do reach me out on Instagram, and the link will be in the description box below. And I'll see you all in the next read. That will be your bi-weeklies. So I'll see you all later on. Take care. Bye bye.